So this is a Pierce Arrow Classic Car Club and Studebaker Club joint gathering. We're now at Eric Rosenau's in Ramona. This is his home. And let's go inside his shop, see what interesting things we can find there. Nice assortment of Pierce Arrow and gorgeous Packard 12 limo. And the iconic Studebaker, the nice fins. So this is an incredibly rare Model 66 Pierce Arrow. This is the largest production engine ever in a car. It's over 800 cubic inch. It's being restored. And this is a 1929 Duesenberg, which has a fabulous body. So this is a Kirchhoff body, which I have never seen before, but look at that windshield. I thought it was a Dietrich maybe, but it's a Kirchhoff, which was a Pasadena coach builder. This is a spectacular, just a spectacular body on it. So this is the, speaking of bodies, this is the body for the Model 66. This is another Pierce being restored. Check out the window treatment. See this round window? Is that cool or what? So I'm 6'3½", and this is probably almost a foot taller than I am. And over here, we have a Pierce and a Hispano Suiza. Nice Pierce here, limousine, and a beautiful Hispano Suiza town car. Just spectacular. So here we are. We're at the next stop. So this is the third stop, and this is really interesting. This is a building that in it is two different businesses. One is the Horseless Carriage, which is a restoration shop, and in the back is the famous restoration supply company that supplies all different hardware and parts for restoration shops around the world. So this is the guts of the restoration supply company. You've got wires, you've got nuts and bolts and screws and almost anything you can imagine to help restorers. So we'll just look. See all these specialized items. Just wonderful. So this is a 1902 Locks. Look at that, very fun. So now we're driving back. We just went through from Ramona to Santa Isabel in the 49 Bentley Mk Vi, and had a great caravan, yeah, with the 1947 Packard that you can barely see through the rear view mirror there, I think. A lot of fun.